this next problem, we're again being asked to find first AB if possible. Now A has 3 rows and 1 column, so that's a 3 by 1, and B is a 3 by 3. So I cannot multiply these, and so this is not possible. They then ask for us to find BA if possible. Now again, 3 by 3 by a 3 by 1. This time the middle numbers do match, and so we take these outer numbers, the 3 and the 1, and that tells us that the product BA will be a 3 by 1. So let's actually do this. Let's write B first. First column 2 0 0, second column 7 4 3, third column -1 1 -6, and then A will be the column matrix 2 -1 3, and we know that the product here will also be a column matrix, which is a 3 by 1. So here we go. This first element is row 1, column 1. So take row 1, the 2 7 -1, multiply and do the dot product with the 2 -1 3. So we're going to have 4 minus 7 minus 3. 4 minus 7 minus 3 is -6. Second row with the column 0, -4, and 3, which gives us -1. And then the third, 0, -3, and -18 give us -21. Finally, they want us to see if we can find A squared. Now that would be A times A, and since A is a 3 by 1 multiplied by another 3 by 1, these middle numbers do not match, and so this is not possible.